This video shows the assembly and mounting of a BD 1360 row cleaner with DS mounts. First, attach the D-Lock deflector DLD-02L to the end of the hub axle, making sure it is flush with the end of the axle before bolting the axle to the frame. Second, secure the hub to the frame with the 5/8 inch patch bolt and star washer. Retighten after the first day's use. Third, install the toothed wheel part number to the outside and side treader wheel on the hub with the first 4 carriage bolts and flange nuts. Retighten after the first day's use. The wheel marked TW3813-L4 is for use on the left side of the frame, as viewed from behind the machine. Repeat for the opposite side. Place the adjustment assembly against the frame as shown. Secure the adjustment assembly to the frame using the 4-button head screws and nuts provided. Put the 1/2 inch nut on the 1/2 inch by 4 inch bolt and thread the bolt into the tapped hole of the adjustment assembly. Use the 1/2 inch nut to lock the 4 inch adjustment bolt in place once the desired minimum depth setting has been determined. If an optional cam adjustment assembly was purchased, then first, mount the cam block to the frame using the 4 3/8 inch button head bolts with notch to bottom and rear. Second, slide the 1/2 inch by 4 inch bolt through the knob, spring, and support block and thread it into the cam. Third, tighten the bolt until the cam is directly adjacent to the support block but still loose enough to be disengaged from the pin by pushing the knob. Fourth, install the 1/2 inch nut on the end of the bolt and tighten securely against the cam. Put the flat washer and the bushing on the 5/8 inch by 2 inch bolt. Align the frame with the holes in the mounting bracket. Insert the 5/8 inch by 2 inch bolts and secure with the nuts provided as shown. Do not use impact wrench. Check to be sure the frame is not binding on the mounting bracket and is free to float up and down. For more assistance, please refer to the manual that came with your Martin Till order or call 1-800-366-5817.